I'm Andrew Jenkinson, the Caravan Expert, and welcome to my Caravan channel. Wow, I mean, on a bit of a chilly afternoon here today actually, and I'm having a look at one of the many conversions there is around at the present time. There's a lot of people out there converting vans, whether it's a Transit, a Renault, or the famous VW T6 T7s. But today I'm at Landseer. Landseer is a new company, and it's a bit, if you want to put it one way, a little bit born out of the ashes of the old Lunas. Now, we know Luna are a caravan manufacturer, but before their sad demise, they actually produced camper vans. And it was in this premises that I'm here today, it was where they were producing them. Now, when all that went by the by, a couple of guys from Luna set up Lancia. And what they want to do is to produce the best money can buy for a conversion. So when you buy one of their vans, you're buying a quality product. Now, as I said, there's a lot of people doing a lot of conversions. Some maybe leave a lot to be desired, but these guys really know what they're talking about. It's on the Transit, which we all know is a brilliant base to build on, because basically the Transit van is a superb van to drive. Now, I'm going to go and have a look in. You've seen the still shots on the run up to this video, and I'm going to go and have a look inside, because I've seen quite a lot of camper vans over the years, and this one looks really special. I've just been around the factory. Everyone is doing a craftsman type job. Everything's put together just nicely. People care for what they're doing. It's not a quick whiz it together and out the door it goes. Far from it. So follow me, and I'm going to go and have a look inside. Well, here I am inside the Lancia, and it just feels a nice quality product. I'll start off over here first, because this will sleep 4. It'll sleep an extra 2 on a sprung mattress up here in the ceiling, as it were. So you just pull that down to bring it down, so for travelling of course, and bring all that down with it. But this at the back, these 3 seats, which are all belted of course, this slides forward, this comes down, and then the back shelf comes, so it's like comes down in a 3-piece concertina, and it makes a sizable double bed. Now, the kitchen, well, what I like straight away is this nice bit of oak finish. I mean, we've got all this modern finish here, all the white and everything. It looks really smart, there's no doubt about it, but it's just nice to finish off with this nice oak worktop. Now, you get a sizable sink complete unit here. You get your 2-burner hob, and what you also have here is a grill combined oven. Now, the oven isn't a standard fit normally, but as I say, you'd have to make inquiries as to how much that costs. Generally, there's good storage, so there you go, and everything feels nice, everything's solid, because what Landseer do, they get their guys to actually make the furniture here, all in-house at the factory. Now, you have sizable wardrobe, and of course down to your mains electrics box. So It's quite easy access. And of course you've got some overhead lockers here. So what they've done is done storage wherever they can. Of course, you've got to make the best of it. And when this seat slides forward, of course, you've got access to this. Now there's also some nice discreet lighting around there, which really looks classy. And of course, everything runs on LED, so power from the battery is very, very minimal. Now, of course, you get the little fridge, a little tight freezer there. Okay, it's not going to hold a lot, but I'll tell you something, for a weekend's jaunt, what more do you want? Okay, so we found out that this is a well put together unit. And campervans, as I say, there's a lot of them around out there, but I've seen some that you'd leave a little bit desired when it comes to quality. But here, they've really got the job sussed. When it comes to night time, you've got some blinds here. Now, also as an option, listen to this, these, you can have these actually on a remote control electric, so they go up and down on their own. I kid you not. I don't know any other campervan that does that. Anyway, let's get back to this area again. Plenty of room, plenty of place for 4 people to be in here, and yeah, it really is good. There's good lighting, got your spot lamps there, you've got some more LED lighting underneath here, and of course you've got the lighting that's on the bottom of the bed base there too. It's looking really, really good. Well, the Lancia is certainly well made. It's certainly nicely finished. I like all this, and I say everything is made here in-house at the factory. Now I'll say I've been around the factory. It's only a small concern, but these guys are trying to give quality product, and that's essential, I think, in these day and age, because one of the things is we're getting a lot of people coming into buying campervans, and if they have a bad experience, the chances are they will not come and buy another campervan. So if they get it right from the manufacturer the first time round, then any problems, or if any problems occur, can be eradicated, or problems will not occur. And they shouldn't do, but they need to be sorted quickly. So at the end of it, a quality product will keep the buyers coming back again. And of course, word spreads not just by mouth, but through various dealerships as well. So what do I think? Well, the Lancia is a nice campervan, there's no doubt about it. Everything feels nicely put together. This leather upholstery is great. I mean, this is, as an option. But the great thing is you can have and build on whatever you want on your campervan. So they have built some on VW pre-owned vans and converted them for people. And that is a bit side of the business which seems to be growing quite well. Although the transit van side of things is also doing well, because the transit is a seriously good base for a conversion. So I'm going to leave you here in Preston, or just on the outskirts of Preston, where the factory is. It's quite damp, it's a bit chilly out there now, but at least it's stopped raining. And yeah, I would think this would be quite good. Get this out and about. You know, you want to stop over somewhere overnight quick. It's just ideal. This bed does make up quite quickly. There's no doubt about it. I've watched the guy do it. He just pulled it out, and say everything went into place and put away again, literally within the minute. So a nice, comfortable unit that I'm sure will give many people years and years of pleasure, and one that's made by a company who've really gotten and done their homework. I quite like the fancy of these electric blinds and things like that. It's some great ideas. Anyway, please watch and subscribe. Please also like, and also I'm always keen to hear your comments, good or bad, of course. And here's till next time. So please keep watching, and I'll be bringing some more reviews of caravans and motorhomes and campervans. I'm hoping to get out in a motorhome a bit more as well in some weeks to come, so we shall have to see. But please do keep watching. Right, I'm off, and I wonder if they noticed if I drove this away. Took it round the back there. I don't think they noticed. I leave my car in the place. Be a good deposit. Don't think so somehow. Thanks very much. See you for now.